Well, today we're changing a stoplight on a 2003 Honda Element. I have the rear Honda Element doors open right now, and the first thing we're going to do is remove two bolts located right here and down here. This was an 8mm socket. And we have two bolts removed. Now the taillight is still held in place by a few plastic clips. What we need to do is actually pry the taillight out from its housing. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver and a piece of cloth. Simply just going to wedge it between the taillight back and just prying forward. Excellent. That was the plastic clip that was holding it in place. The stoplight that was out, it's this light bulb in here. I'm going to give it a quarter of a counterclockwise turn and just pull the bulb right on out. That's the bulb there, and I will separate that by just pulling out on it. I believe it's a model 7443 bulb. Once it has snapped in place, place it right back into where it came from. Give it a little turn to the right, clockwise. Gonna line up those plastic clips again and press right in. And we are done. And it works.
Oh, good. Thank you.